Are you looking for a way to elevate your health routine with fresh, nutrient-packed juices? This Amzchef Masticating Juicer, Red Updated, might just be your perfect companion. This juicer promises a high juice yield, easy cleanup, and a multifunctional design, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. In this detailed review, we'll dive into what makes the Amzchef juicer stand out, exploring its features, performance, and overall value. One of the first things that catch your eye is the sleek and modern design, the Amzchef Masticating Juicer. The striking red color gives it a bold presence on your countertop, blending style with functionality. Made with high-quality food-grade materials, this juicer feels sturdy and durable. Despite its robust construction, it's surprisingly lightweight, making it easy to move around your kitchen. The Amzchef juicer is designed with user convenience in mind. Parts are easy to assemble, disassemble, and clean. All detachable components are dishwasher safe, and the included brush ensures thorough cleaning after use. The compact design also means it doesn't take up much counter space, making it a good fit for small kitchens. At the core of this juicer's appeal is its 7-spiral masticating system, which promises to extract maximum juice with minimal oxidation. This is crucial for preserving the nutritional content of fruits and vegetables. Whether you're juicing fibrous greens like celery and kale, or softer fruits like oranges, the Amzchef juicer does an excellent job of squeezing out every drop. The juice it produces is smooth and rich in flavor, with minimal foam. The slow masticating process helps retain more nutrients compared to centrifugal juicers. This is particularly important if you're juicing for health benefits, as it ensures that you're getting the maximum vitamins, minerals, and enzymes from your produce. You can feel confident knowing that the juice you're drinking is as close to raw and fresh as possible. One of the standout features of the Amzchef juicer is its versatility. It's not just a juicer. It can also function as a meat grinder or slicer shredder with the appropriate attachment, sold separately. This multifunctional capability makes it more than just a juicing machine. It becomes a versatile kitchen appliance, can handle a variety of tasks. Imagine preparing your morning juice and then effortlessly switching to grind meat for your dinner. This flexibility adds value to your purchase, allowing you to use the machine for multiple purposes, saving both time and counter space. The small feeder chute is another thoughtful feature of the Amzchef juicer. By encouraging you to cut fruits and vegetables into smaller pieces, it helps prevent seeds and other hard bits from getting into the juice, ensuring a smoother texture. It also minimizes the risk of injuries, making it a safer option for households with children. Additionally, the juicer is equipped with intelligent protection chips that automatically stop the machine after 20 minutes of operation, preventing overheating and prolonging its lifespan. The reverse function is handy for preventing clogs and makes cleaning even easier. Juicing shouldn't be a noisy affair, and the Amzchef Masticating Juicer excels in keeping things quiet. Thanks to its quiet motor, you can enjoy fresh juice in the morning without disturbing the entire household. The gentle hum of the machine is far less intrusive than the loud whir of a traditional centrifugal juicer. Even though the juicer operates quietly, it's still powerful enough to handle tough produce. You may hear a slight noise when the machine is grinding hard fruits or vegetables, but this is normal and doesn't affect its performance. Cleaning up after juicing is often a concern for many, but the Amzchef juicer makes this task hassle-free. All the parts can be easily disassembled, and the included cleaning brush helps you reach every nook and cranny. If you prefer, you can also toss the removable parts into the dishwasher for even easier cleanup. Just be mindful not to let acidic fruits like lemons sit in the juicer for too long, as this can cause staining or wear on the parts over time. Amzchef stands behind its products with a solid 2-year warranty on the motor and a 2-year guarantee for normal accessory exchange. This gives you peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected. In case of any issues, their customer service team is responsive and ready to assist, ensuring that your juicing experience remains positive. Final verdict: the Amzchef Masticating Juicer, Red Updated, is an excellent choice for anyone looking to incorporate fresh, nutrient-rich juices into their daily routine. Its high juice yield, nutrient retention, and versatile functionality make it stand out in a crowded market. Whether you're a health enthusiast or just someone who enjoys a fresh glass of juice, this juicer delivers on its promises. With its user-friendly design, quiet operation, and easy cleanup, it's a great fit for both beginners and experienced juicers alike. Plus, the added value of its multifunctional capabilities makes it a smart investment for any kitchen. In short, if you're looking for a juicer that's stylish, efficient, and versatile, the Amzchef Masticating Juicer is definitely worth considering. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.